Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the battery electronic control module is located, which fuse controls it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the battery electronic control module fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. You, by the way, guys, have multiple fuse boxes that are hidden in. We have a special video on our channel that talks about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. What you need to do now, come on the driver's side, open the door and see the dash, guys. That trim under the dash on the bottom right here extends to the other side. It has 4 clips, one here, one there, and 2 on the other side. Grab from top to bottom, pull it. It will open on a hinge behind it on the left side, deep inside the dash. You're going to find, guys, the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, where you can expect to find the battery electronic control module fuse. You see these double fuses? We will always recommend to keep some spare ones. Those could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. Come in here, guys, the fuse that you need to check, you have numbers next to the fuses, but you see that fuse, that's 14 and 15 double fuse. That right section, that's fuse number 14, that's for the battery electronic control module. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.